Welcome to Amir Kitchen. This recipe, one of my friends showed me how to cook that. So it looked delicious. So I wanna try in my kitchen, and I did it. Result is amazing, perfect, easy, simple dinner. If you feel like something different for dinner, definitely try this recipe. You'll love it. Oil into the pan, medium high heat. Ground meat into the pan. Cook medium high heat. Breaking up the meat into the pieces until get brown and cook through 5 to 6 minutes. Now I'm adding some spices. Mix all spice nicely. Now I'm adding a little bit of tomato sauce. Add little bit of water. Cook for few minutes on high heat. Tomato slices. Eggs. Sprinkle with oregano and sprinkle with salt. Mozzarella cheese. Cook for low heat until cheese melt. Delicious dinner is ready.